Once upon a time, a long, long time ago, daredevils called window cleaners hung from tall buildings to do a job only the brave could do. What? That'd be cray-cray. Well, guess what, ladies and gentlemen? We now have the Acme Jetpack window cleaner systems for really special products. That's right, stop doing things the old ways and move into the future. And guess what? Next time someone says, you missed a spot, have no fear, it's just one more chance for you to take to the skies. Move into the future with really special products and the Acme Jetpack window cleaning system. Right. Now hear this, the Acme Jetpack window cleaning kit is currently being retooled. Thanks to the results from our head product tester, Mitch Ryder, may he rest in pieces, we are no longer using the economy fuel gauges we found on eBay. Also, squeegees not included.